morning students, I am Meenakshi Verma and I am your teacher of economics. Today is our introductory class of your syllabus of economics. Over and over we are going to discuss about the syllabus of economics. We have to cover almost 27 chapters in the 11th class for economics. Okay, so we are going to discuss the different parts of our syllabus and what we are going to study in particular part. Okay, start with part 1. First of all, your economics is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2, either part A or part B. First of all, we are going to discuss about part A, that is your basis of class 12, which is going to be the basis of your class 12. Okay, so first of all, part A, the first topic is introduction to economics. Introduction to economics, what we are going to study in? We are going to study meaning and definition of economics. Meaning and definition of economics, nature and scope of economics. After that, economy or economic system. That is our first unit in which we are going to discuss three topics: meaning and definition of economics, nature and scope of economics, and economy. Types of economy, various types of economy we are going to discuss in that particular unit, economy or economic unit. We have to discuss three economy: socialist economy, capitalist economy and mixed economy. Okay, meaning and definition of economics, in that we are going to discuss the different definitions of economics according to different economists, according to their different traits. That is the first topic, introduction to economics, and we are going to cover three chapters in it: meaning and definition, nature and scope, and economy or economic system. Okay, after that your second topic is related to statistics. In economics, we are compelled to study statistics. Why? Because for studying economics, we need data, and in statistics, we prepare, or you can say we trying to collect data from different field and the traits, qualities to collect the data. In that, we are going to discuss first of all meaning of statistics. Meaning of statistics. After that, collection of data. That how we are going to collect the data which we need. In that, we are going to discuss primary and secondary data and different methods to use that data. After that, classification of data. And after that, presentation of data. Okay, all the theory which is related with statistics, including meaning of statistics, collection of data, classification of data, presentation of data, we are going to study in our chapter number 2. In your book there is no separate unit, just the numbering of chapter is given. The meaning of statistics is your chapter number 4, that is your chapter number 5, that is your chapter number 6, and that is your development, industrial development, foreign trade of India, foreign trade of India, poverty, unemployment, environment, pollution. After that, there is a topic related to position of Rajasthan in the economics. After that, there is a topic of position of Rajasthan in the economics. We are going to discuss that. What are the position of economics of Rajasthan? Position of economics in Rajasthan. देखिए, अब मैं आपको वो बता रही हूँ कि पोजीशन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स इन राजस्थान का क्या है. उसके अंदर हम डिफरेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे. एक बार पहले आप ये देख लीजिए. आफ्टर दैट जो राजस्थान